Bye bye, Pickle. Our battery's detached because it kept going flat, guys. And off we jolly well go!
See, car starts at first.
Yeah! Action! What a song to play! I'm Nikki, and this is my gorgeous family. Chris, Beau, Bear, and our salty puppy, Buddy. We've been sailing around the world years now on Pickle, a catamaran we bought, renovated and learned to sail on after I had a life-changing epiphany when I was in ICU with meningitis. Subscribe, welcome aboard and enjoy the ride. Hugging the old pooch. I've been working, guys, and look up, and it's light outside. How did that happen? Look how cool this is. Look, it's like a big olive press. We just stopped, guys, for a little coffee. Cafe. Con leche. Look, what's that, guys? Is that like? Well, they were used to grind grain or corn or something, isn't it? It's cool, isn't it? Little water wheel. All the old farm equipment. I love stopping at all these little service stations on the way on these cool roads across Europe. España today. España. Only 5 degrees here, guys. Going to the mountains. 3 degrees. Woo! Oh, you can't really see, guys, but up there, going over those trees and clouds and stuff, is snowy mountains. We should go snowboarding. Let's go skiing. Let's quick stop off to ski.
Big sunny Spain.
Guys. Well, yeah, it looks a bit frosty up there, doesn't it?
Yeah, totally.
Not snow though, we can't see the big snowy ones,
No,
just a bit of frost. Frosty. Driving towards the sunshine.
Just touching trees up there.
Can't really see from over here, but yeah, it's all cloudy in the trees, isn't it? Okay, near the Pyrenees, we're just not going through them this time, guys. Look. I quite like driving through the mountains. It's a shame we're not doing that bit this time. It's a lot shorter journey though, isn't it? It's well different, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's like a whole another world just driving for one full day, isn't it? Isn't it?
Totally, yeah.
It makes such a difference. I much prefer doing it this way and going on the ferry for a day.
Absolutely. It's hard drive.
It is not. This isn't.
No, it's hard drive normally.
Yeah, normally it's really crippling, but this is all right. I don't mind this.
Not so bad if you stop at hotels like we did on way out. That's not so bad, but when we've done it hardcore, unless you just got into look at drive no more and then slept in car for a couple of hours and then carried on, it's hard, is that?
That's really hard.
I don't think I can do it as well as I used to be able to a few years ago.
Yeah, maybe, I don't know, but I do like this way doing it.
Yeah,
this just driving for 12 hours and you're there is like easy, isn't it?
No, only 10, wasn't it?
Yeah, or 10 hours even, yeah. Well, 12 probably when you can't stop, but even so.
Long day though, in all fairness.
Yeah, I guess so.
Started early, but it's definitely easier than doing it again tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah. That's it, we could just rest on the ferry. Nice and sunny, huh?
Very, very true. Very, very sunny.
It's a pretty ship.
Nice and warm too.
Look how calm it looks. Looks lovely and calm. No, I don't need a jumper at all. But look out there when you go out the bay. It's the right chop coming in, so I'm guessing it's not so calm in the Bay of Biscay. That's okay. We don't mind. We're going discovering in the boat, aren't we? Wandering and discovering.
Yep.
I'm red dot in this jumper.
I'm lovely in this t-shirt.
Yeah, I should take my jumper off and then I'd have to carry it. Got bothered.
I don't mind carrying it here.
Guys, we're just going out. I think it's getting a bit more rough out there. Although it's pretty calm. It looks alright, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah.
It looks alright, it's a bit bright. I haven't got my sunglasses. I'll show you. The sun's making me sneeze. Oh, it looks alright out there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Although them waves wouldn't be very nice if it was in a little sailing boat. But it's a bigger swell than you think, isn't it? The lighthouse. The phone doesn't focus. That's where we're coming from. That's where we're coming from. That's where we're going. Straight across, man.
Yeah, look at where's here, look.
Yeah, you can see the waves there, can't you? If I try and zoom in now, it just zooms on the window. I can't do it. You'll see the waves there. You just can't see it so much when you're so high up on a big ship, but you wouldn't want to be sailing probably in that there. But it's alright, it's nice and flat for us, isn't it?
Yeah.
Happy?
Yeah. Happy. happy.
Joy.
Yeah. Look at that one over there. Yeah, it won't be much fun now.
Are you glad you're on the ferry rather than on the sailboat?
Last time I sailed across here, it won't go.
Video call.
No.
But we had a nice relaxing day.
Yeah.
We didn't really do much, but eat and relax.
Eat and relax, yeah.
Eat and sleep and relax.
Yeah. Got a bit of sleep, didn't we?
Yeah, a little bit. Well, you did. You just snored all night. Yeah, kept the rest of us awake.
Snoring.
Kept the rest of the boat awake. You snored so loud last night.
Yeah.
And now we're just about to disembark in the Plymouth.
In Plymouth.
And we'll drive to Penzance to pick up Bear. He's on the boat. He's just boarding. We're just getting off of one boat. He's getting on one boat. He's boarding the Salonian. He's sailing into England in Penzance, and we'll be down there in a few hours before his boat docks, actually. Won't it?
Yeah. For that.
We'll probably beat him. We'll be there.
Oh, we'll definitely beat him. It's 3 hours and some minute from Scilly House to Penzance. And it's 2 hours from here, so...
It's actually 2 hours and 45 minutes, that Salonian. Anyway, guys, we're going to get to Penzance and we'll meet him there. And then we'll be driving back with him to go to Beau.
Yeah.
We're nearly here now. God, the boat's like off. But wait, that's St Mary's Quay. You get dropped off there somewhere. You get dropped off down there somewhere. Up there. That quay there, you get dropped off that quay there. That's where I'm getting dropped off. Well, not dropped off, I'm getting a Sloanian, but yeah. This is real cool. I'm really sad to leave though.
Okay. I'll get
No, that's a lifeboat, sorry. A lifeboat.
saying don't worry.
And dock him. On the boat now, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the boat. Big Sloanian. Ready to win them on. The Sloanian's leaving. We're leaving. I'm excited to see Mum. Leaving, oh my god. So sad. I don't want to leave. I'm upset that I'm leaving. I've had great fun being here. Made friends. Got to spend time with Nan. This is the first ever time that I've been away from Mum. I've done when Mum was in the sailing course, but I was little, so that doesn't really count. Well, it kind of does, but damn, it's high up. What the flip? Bye bye, St Mary's. Bye bye. Bye bye, seagulls. Seagulls. Bye bye. Oh, it's chilly out here, damn. It's cold. But I'm going back in because I'm bloody freezing. Wow, it's cold. Go back in.
Onto Long Rock Bypass, A30.
Ooh, well, that's the Sloanian coming in down there, guys. Oh, I can't see it. Can't see it.
Yeah, I totally can't see it now.
Nearly there. Bear's back! Have you had fun?
Yeah.
A month of fun and adventure with Nanny?
Yeah.
It's good to be back, guys.
Yeah, it is.
But our journey home is going to be a long one.
5.5 hours left.
Yeah, and it's like that. It's so thick fog. Found out all about Bear's holiday and all the things he got up to, including hurting his back when he fell out of a tree. We think he's just bruised and injured and is laid in the back of the car resting as he does for the next few weeks as I undergo an operation. But later, guys, you'll find out, as we do, that it is a very serious spinal injury. Follow along, guys, for the next few episodes to find out exactly what life has thrown at us. I promise.
That I'll dictate when you can lift.
No! If I get a new tender engine, you can't dictate when.
Yeah, I promise I won't. Yeah.
I say I want the dog. You're not going to go. Can't do that. I'm not. It's that tender engine. I'm past 8.
I might forget that I've promised, and then I'll say, "Oh yeah, I promised." So yeah, it's fine. Yeah.
Thanks for watching. See you next week, guys.